Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan waffles. We'll explore easy ingredient substitutions that transform a classic breakfast into a plant-based delight. You'll learn the secrets to achieving that ideal texture, wonderfully crispy on the outside and delightfully fluffy on the inside. Get ready to create a fantastic breakfast or brunch option that everyone will love, using just a few simple steps and common kitchen items. The heart of vegan waffles lies in smart ingredient swaps. Instead of dairy milk, reach for unsweetened almond, soy, or oat milk. About 1 1/2 cups works perfectly. For eggs, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water or 1/4 cup of applesauce provides excellent binding. And for that buttery richness, use a good quality vegan butter or a neutral oil, like vegetable oil, about 1/3 cup. Achieving the right batter consistency is crucial for perfect waffles. First, whisk together all your dry ingredients, such as 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. The batter should be smooth and pourable, not too thick or too thin. Now for the exciting part, cooking your waffles. Always preheat your waffle iron completely. This ensures even cooking and that wonderful crispy exterior. Lightly grease the iron with a little oil or vegan butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the hot iron, depending on its size. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and steam no longer escapes. Serve your warm, fluffy vegan waffles immediately with fresh fruit, maple syrup, or a dollop of vegan whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.